Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build recommendation engines with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To build recommendation engines with Shopify, start by defining the goals for your recommendation system. Identify the types of recommendations that will best serve your business needs. Consider product recommendations, upselling opportunities, and personalized content. Next, sign into your Shopify admin panel to access your store's backend. Navigate to your Shopify store settings to ensure you have the right apps installed. Search for recommendation engine apps in the Shopify App Store. Choose a solution that suits your needs, paying attention to user reviews and features. Install the selected app and follow the prompts to integrate it with your Shopify store. Once installed, configure the settings according to your business strategy. Input product data that will power your recommendations, ensuring that it is accurate and comprehensive. Create customer segments based on purchase history, browsing behavior, and preferences. Utilize data analytics tools to monitor customer interactions with your recommendations. Adjust the algorithm settings for optimal performance based on the data collected. Test the recommendations on your store to assess their effectiveness. Gather feedback from customers to refine the recommendations further. Monitor the impact of the recommendation engine on sales and customer engagement regularly. Make necessary adjustments to improve the accuracy and relevance of the recommendations over time. Document your processes and results to maintain a clear understanding of what works best. Continuously explore new features and updates in the recommendation app to enhance your strategies. Ensure you remain agile and adapt your recommendations as market trends and customer behaviors evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.